Do you snore loudly or wake up feeling tired? You might be experiencing sleep apnea. It's a sleep disorder where your breathing stops for short moments while you sleep. This happens when the airway space narrows, which may occur due to the tongue falling back during sleep, a smaller jaw size, or other factors. Common symptoms include loud snoring, shortness of breath during sleep, waking up with a dry mouth, morning headaches. Don't ignore the signs. Better sleep starts with early care. Book your consultation today with Red House Dental.